How to make an oatmeal bath to soothe and moisturize skin, according to dermatologists. Oatmeal baths are warm baths containing finely ground oatmeal which can soothe and moisturize skin. Oatmeal baths are beneficial for those with acne, dry skin, itchy skin, psoriasis, and rashes. To make an oatmeal bath, add colloidal oats to warm water and soak for at least 15 minutes. Soaking in an oatmeal bath. A warm bath that contains finely ground oatmeal can soothe skin conditions and irritations such as eczema, poison ivy, and bug bites. Oatmeal baths aren't just for adults, they're great for babies too, especially for treating diaper rash. Here's what you need to know about the benefits of oatmeal baths and how to make one for you or your baby. Oatmeal bath benefits. If you're dealing with a skin condition or irritation, there's a good chance an oatmeal bath can help. The oatmeal acts as an emollient and protective moisturizer for dry skin, says Azza Halim, MD, a physician with her own practice. Oatmeal contains a variety of nutrients such as proteins, fats, and vitamins, like vitamin E, which makes it especially good at binding, cleansing, and hydrating the skin. According to Michelle Green, MD, a cosmetic dermatologist with her own practice, oatmeal can soothe a wide variety of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, rashes, including diaper rash, sunburn, dryness, itchiness, poison ivy, chickenpox, psoriasis, bug bites. After just one oatmeal bath, your skin may feel softer and smoother. However, it may take a few weeks of once-weekly oatmeal baths for ongoing irritations to become less inflamed, says Green. How to make an oatmeal bath. Not only are oatmeal baths beneficial, but they are easy to make, requiring just 2 ingredients, oats and water. While you can use regular oats for an oatmeal bath, it's best to choose colloidal oats, a finely ground oat designated by the FDA as a skin protectant. Colloidal oats are meant to be used as skincare rather than eaten. You can buy them at most drugstores and supermarkets. If using regular oats, grind them finely enough so they can dissolve in water or use colloidal oatmeal. Fill your tub with warm water. Pour about half a cup of oats into your bath. Soak in the tub for about 15 minutes. Rinse your skin with lukewarm water. Pat dry. Rubbing with a towel may irritate your skin, and apply a fragrance-free lotion.